Morning students, I Mrs. Mohini, your moral science teacher. Today we are going to start the first chapter of moral science, that is footprints in the sand. Before starting this chapter, I would like to give a small introduction about what is God and how He is with us. Dear students, God is always with us whenever we are in difficulty. Sometimes we misbehave with God, sometimes we feel sad that God is not helping us, but the fact is God is always with us. So let us start the chapter. There lived a holy man who loved God deeply. God loved him dearly too. The good man used to spend much time every day in prayerful meditation. In spite of his devotion to God, he had to face many troubles in life. But he never lost his faith in God. He knew that God was there always at his side to aid and guide him. So this paragraph is about one holy man who loved God very dearly and spent much time every day in prayers and meditation. And in spite he is having many troubles in life, then also he never lost faith in God. He knew that God is always there at his side. Next paragraph. Once while meditating, he had a vision. He saw that he was walking through an arid desert. After walking a little distance, he heard a voice. I am walking with you. He looked around. There was nobody. He was sure it was the Lord who spoke. He noticed two sets of footprints in the sand. One set of course belonged to him. The other set of footprints he now understood belonged to the Lord. So once while meditating, while he was concentrating on God, towards God, he saw that he was in arid desert, and a little distance after walking, he noticed that one set of footprint more was walking along with him. He understood that it was a footprint of God. Lord, it is you, he asked. Yes, my dear, said the Lord. Do not be afraid. I am walking along with you. They walked together. Suddenly a storm came. The man looked for some shelter but couldn't find any. He turned around to look for God. There was only one pair of footprints in the sand. He felt sad. So after walking some distance, there was a storm came. Means there heavy wind blew along with them, and the boy was alone. After that, he noticed that the footprints was not with the boy. He felt very sad that when the storm came, why God left alone him, and he was not finding any footprint along with him. So after some times, when the storm subsided, the man proceeded on his journey. A little later, he looked back and found two pairs of footprints, and found again. So students, after some times when the storm subsided, the man again started to proceed his journey, and after some times he found that again that two pairs of footprints came back. So after some times the boy asked to the Lord that, Lord, when the storm came, why you left me, leave me alone? Then Lord, where were you when the storm came? Asked the man. I found only one pair of footprints when I needed you the most. Why did you leave me in the face of trouble? Then students, what the God said, see the last paragraph. My child, said the Lord, how can I leave you at a time I love you so much? The single pair of footprints you noticed in the sand while the storm raged around you was not yours but mine. I was there carrying you in my hands. So students, same I told you in the introduction of this chapter, this boy also misunderstood the God and he thought that God left him. But the fact is, when the storm came, God did not leave him anywhere. In fact, God is taking care of that child more around among them, and he is taking the boy in his lap and walking in the sand. So students, here is the end of today's explanation and reading. Next class will continue more about this chapter. Thank you.